How to use SHEIN Wallet Money. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the SHEIN app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your SHEIN account. Once in there, all you have to do is simply start shopping or add to cart some of the clothes or any essentials you need. And once you do so, tap on the cart icon available there and select the essentials you need and tap on the checkout option available. Once you tap on the checkout, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the wallet option available. Tap on the view more and you will see wallet option available there. Tap on the wallet. Now you will see wallet balance here, but I do not have any wallet balance, so you can see there is blank. But if you do, then simply input the amount and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.